So we've had a question, how to find the important points of a parabola from an equation. So, thank you, Addie. So we have Addie squared, what's your favorite number, Addie?
11.
11. So positive or negative 11?
What?
Positive or negative 11?
Positive.
Positive. Okay. Positive, maybe. Positive 11. Addie. And let's go minus. No, that's not going to work out so good. Minus 60. Or 60. All right? So, first things first. In the expanded form, it gives us one of the important points of a parabola. And we'll just remind ourselves, we're looking for the x-intercepts, the y-intercept, the line of symmetry, and the vertex. Maybe. Hello? My goodness. My computer is now glitchy. All right, so one of these important points here we can find right now because it's in the expanded form equation. Which one? Which of these four important points is in the expanded form equation? Yes, Allie? The y-intercept is negative 60. All right. To find the x-intercepts, we must factor. So the question is, what times what is negative 60, but adds together to get 11? Positive 11. Let's make some factor pairs. Could someone give me two numbers multiplied together that equal
1 and 60.
1 and 60. So, and we have to, this has to be negative and this is positive. So we're going to go 60 and negative 1. When I add 60 plus negative 1, what do I get?
59.
Negative 59, did that, sorry, positive 59, did that work?
No.
No, give me another pair.
2 and 30.
2 and 30. So we have 30, I'm going to go negative 2 because one of them has to be negative. I add those together and I get negative, positive
50
28.
and 3. That's not right either. I'm sorry.
3 does go into 60. So 20 and negative 3, that's negative positive 17. I really want this to be
15
negative.
and 4.
15 and 4. When I add those together, I get?
Negative, or 11.
Oh, that works. Didn't it?
Oh my gosh! Yes!
We just made a list of factor pairs. What times what is 60?
60 and 1.
60 times negative 1 gives us negative 60. When I add those together, I get 59. Did it work?
No.
No. 30 times negative 2 works. So when I add those together, I get 28. Is that what I want? No. I'm just guessing and checking.
You just guess and check until it makes.
I thought you said you're saving me one.
Here you go. You can take mine.
Can I have a little bit of one? Can I have one?
Thank you, sir.
Oh,
All right.
Can I have one?
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Okay, everyone loves Krispy Kreme donuts. All right. I'm going to pause this while everyone gets a Krispy Kreme donut. All right. So, sorry about that at home. I know. So, okay. So how do we factor this expression? Nothing's better than elementary kids and musical instruments. Okay, so how do we factor a squared plus 11a minus 60? Zico?
A times minus 4. No, A minus, yeah, A minus 4.
Okay.
Times A plus 15.
Now, does it matter if I did this? A plus 15.
No.
Does this change anything?
No.
No. Okay. So it can be why?
Because of the property, that one property.
The commutative property of
Commutative property,
multiplication.
that's it.
Yeah, that's the one. Okay, so
Bye, daughter. Why do you have 2 dogs?
once
Guys, I'm talking. Yeah, we need to.
Zico is really easily distracted. I hope that all of you at some point get to meet Zico at some point in your life. Okay. I mean, this video could be there for years, so you know.
I know.
Okay.
I'm a pretty cool guy.
You're awesome. All right. So
Hey, Rosie.
now we need to find the x-intercepts. So we know that in our graph, our parabola is going to be facing down because, it's going to be facing up because this is positive. So we are going to have something that looks a little bit like this. What is the y value at our x-intercepts?
0.
0. So that means when I multiply these things together, I am going to get 0.
Wait, when you multiply what together? The
This,
right side.
this binomial times this binomial, I will get 0. If I'm multiplying 2 numbers together and the product is 0, what must one of the numbers be?
0.
0. So I need to solve both of these binomials for 0. So just looking at a minus 4, what will I do to both sides to get the a by itself?
Add 8 plus 4.
Plus
8
4
plus 4.
plus 4, and we get 4 is equal to a. There's one of my intercepts. What will I do to both sides here?
I just had major
Minus 15.
Subtract 15, and we get a is equal to,
15. Negative 15.
these are x-intercepts, because the factored form will give us the x-intercepts. So our x-intercepts are negative 15 and 4. That's it. Because the x-intercepts are found using the factored form expression. We're not going to make a graph right now.
Wait, so the line of symmetry is just straight down the middle, and then it's the vertex.
We're going to do the whole thing. Okay. So the line of symmetry comes next. The line of symmetry will be the average of the 2 x-intercepts. So how do I find an average?
Add them and divide by how many numbers.
Yeah. So we're going to add negative 15 and 4. It's negative 11. Divide by 2 because we have 2 numbers.
5.5. And then that's just literally all.
That is
That's so
literally, yes.
Oh, that's
It literally is.
Oh, so you get the line of symmetry
Yes.
and then you just plug that back into your equation.
Mhm.
So it's like a circle.
Yes.
That's pretty neat.
Wait, but then when you're trying to find the x-intercept, you just do the opposite of the.
As long as there is no number right here.
What happens if there is?
So I would honestly tell you to always just do the train tracks and you will always get it right. Say each binomial is equal to 0. Train tracks, it'll always work 100% of the time. All right, Dre, are you ready to go on? Okay. So now we have the vertex of negative 5.5. So we're going to plug that into the equation. I personally like plugging the number into the factored form expression because I don't have to worry about exponents. However, the factored and expanded form of the equations are the same, they're equivalent, so it doesn't matter which one you choose. So instead of a, I'm going to write
X.
Negative 5.5.
negative 5.5. So we have negative 5.5 minus 4. And we're going to multiply that by
Negative 5.5 plus 15.
negative 5.5, I guess it really wants to be blue, plus 15. So negative 5.5 minus 4, that's going to be negative 9.5. Negative 5.5 plus 15 is going to be positive 9.5. And so go ahead and use your calculator. Would you please multiply it together? It's going to be more than 81, that's right. Well, it's actually going to be less than 81 because we're in negative
Oh,
times
Negative
positive.
80.
So we get negative.
30.25.
It's amazing how you have a room full of calculators yet
It's
no one
zero.
seems using.
Oh, I did plus.
You did, yes. If you add it, you'll get 0.
Wait, Mr. Kirby, do you have extra calculators for the test?
No.
Just
It's a free easy.
Just steal one from someone's locker. It's negative 90.25. Or go to Martin. If you return it, they'll never know. I know. I'll literally throw it in your book.
All right.
He just opens everyone's book.
So that means
Like,
our vertex is at negative 5.5 minus 90.25. And that's all you gotta do.
dang. Whoa.
It is even more fun than eating a mini Krispy Kreme.
Can we just have this part on the test, just like this little example? No, because that gives us